Planner Wednesday. This spread is from December the 2nd through the 8th. And what I'm going to be doing this week, since we're really close to Christmas, I'm going to start doing some Christmas movies. I have a DVD that has 4 Christmas movies on it. And this one is based on My Christmas Inn. And it's set in Alaska, and it really is a very funny, romantic, cute movie. So this is the paper that I've chosen because all the snow in Alaska, and in the movie they have a candy cane toss. And this is the washi that I've chosen, and I got this at Michael's in a big tube about a year ago, and it just reminds me of the festive little town that they have called Chestnut Hill. And I'm going to be using this Bic marker in Remembrance Red, okay? And I made my own stickers with my Cricut. So let me go ahead and take my pages out of my planner, but I'm glad that everyone enjoyed my Thanksgiving theme. Okay, I want this to be the dominant paper of the spread because, like I said, it's so cold and snowy, and there's so many beautiful scenes in this movie dealing with Christmas and the snow in Alaska. If I had to pick a town to live in, it would be something like this movie's town. They had so many festive little week-long activities that they did. I just think it's wonderful if you lived in a town that did all that. We have a tree lighting and things like that, but nothing compared to this. And like I said, I picked this paper because they had the candy cane toss as one of the activities. So this incorporates into the movie very nicely. Okay, let's put our paper down like we like it. And with this being so festive down here, you really, wouldn't have to cover that up, but naturally I'm going to. But this is already giving me that very cold Alaska Christmas vibe. Okay, so let's go ahead and put our paper down. I'm so glad you all are enjoying my movie reviews. I love, like I said, old movies, but this one isn't really that old. This is a fairly new movie. And I picked up this paper at Hobby Lobby. They were having 4 for $1, so I picked up 4 sheets. I really need to get some of those big books of a Christmas paper, but I don't have any. I love that. I think that gives us such a good feel for this movie. What are some of your all's favorite movies that you watch every Christmas? I love Christmas with the Cranks. And then there's this other one. I think I know almost I did a planner on it. Borrowed Hearts. I love that movie. but I'd love to know what your favorite Christmas movies are. I love that. It just makes me cold to look at it. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this washi down. I think it's really going to be cute. I hate it when you get washi like this that doesn't want to tear. Okay, that's tearing a little bit better. This washi just reminds me of a really nice cozy sweater, or like I said, the snow. And I'm going to go right down through here. This whole spread actually reminds me of a sweater. I really do like that. This really looks festive, just like that town, Chestnut Hill. It just looks like there's always something going on. Okay, I'm not that fond of this washi. It's difficult, but it does look nice. Okay, so like I said, I made my own stickers with my Cricut, and this is how the DVD cover looks. It just says My Christmas In, and I'm going to put this right here, and then this is when she first comes. What happens is her name is Jen. She lives in San Francisco, and she is an ad executive, and she's up for this big promotion, and she finds out that her aunt, her great aunt who lived in Alaska, left her an inn. And she gets up there, and it's a beautiful house. It's gorgeous, and it means so much to the town. And she meets Brian, who is an attorney there that's handling all of her aunt's business and letting her sign the papers for the house. And when she goes in, she almost burns the house down because she didn't know to open the damper in the fireplace. Okay, so she's in Molly's, which is this lovely little bakery and restaurant. And the lady that is playing like she owns Molly's was in Buck Rogers as Wilma. So I thought that was very interesting. I'm going to put this one right here. And she's getting some cocoa to warm herself up. And here she's talking to Lana, the festival organizer in Molly's. And she's wanting her to run the gingerbread booth like her aunt used to run it. And here is Jen just sitting in the house. And they said that her great aunt always decorated it up beautiful for Christmas. And she's reading her aunt's diary and finding out just how special Chestnut Hill was for her aunt. So she decides she'll decorate the house, and she ran the gingerbread booth. And here's a little girl that was decorating the gingerbread. And she's starting to fall for the attorney Brian. And here they are in the house with it all decorated for the open house in the inn. And they're having some hot cocoa. Okay. And I won't tell you how this ends. But here is, it has a lot of twists and turns. Here's her parents, Jen's parents. They've been traveling the world. And I'm going to put them right here. And here is Jen and Brian kissing. But like I said, I'm not going to tell you what happens. But it is a really good, upbeat, romantic kind of comedy, okay? So let me just write a very few things down. All right, let's put our pages back inside our planner and take a look at this spread. But I think it turned out so festive and right in line with the movie. Hopefully I can get my pages back in my planner. It is so full. And I really need to take time and try to order me a new planner. Okay, well, here is my spread. I love how it turned out. It definitely gives that really cold feel for the movie, and it matches this DVD. I just noticed that. But I love how this turned out. I love my stickers and my washi and my paper. I think it turned out so cold looking, like I love. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.